हेलो बच्चों, आइए चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। द एग्जैक्ट वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ 1 मोलैरिटी NaOH solution required to neutralize 50 ml of 1 molarity H3PO3 solution and 100 ml of 2 molarity H3PO2 solution respectively are। So इस क्वेश्चन में जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, it is molarity which is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters। सो हम यहाँ से ये कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारा नंबर ऑफ मोल्स होगा इट इज इक्वल टू मोलैरिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम। सो नाउ लेट्स राइट द रिएक्शंस जो हमें क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है। H3PO3 reacts with NaOH leads to formation of Na2HPO3 plus water molecule। Now let's balance the equation। 2 will come here and 2 will come here। So हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है that 1 molarity and 50 ml of H3PO3 and 1 molarity of NaOH and volume we have to find out। So इस इक्वेशन को देख के हम ये कह सकते हैं that number of moles of NaOH divided by number of moles of H3PO3 is equal to 2 divided by 1। Now let's substitute this particular formula into it। So from here we can say that 1 into volume of NaOH divided by 50 into 1 is equal to 2 divided by 1। So from here we can say that our VNaOH is equal to 100 ml। So इस basis पे we can neglect out option C। Now let's write the second reaction। H3PO2 reacts with NaOH. It leads to formation of NaH2PO2 plus H2O। तो जैसा कि हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है, it is 2 molarity and 100 ml H3PO2 and 1 molarity NaOH and volume we have to find out। So इक्वेशन को देख के हम कह सकते हैं that number of moles of NaOH divided by number of moles of H3PO2 is equal to 1 divided by 1। Now let's substitute from this। 1 into VNaOH divided by 2 into 100 is equal to 1 divided by 1। So from here we can say that volume of NaOH is equal to 200 ml। So our answer is option B, 100 ml and 200 ml। I hope आपको ये आंसर समझ में आया होगा।